you doing, YouTube family? This is Chef Timmy Jay. And so let's get right into it. Ingredients today. I've already chopped up and cubed about a pound of chicken breast. I've got some cornstarch slurry that I have in the back. I've got some chopped up ginger and some chopped up garlic. I've got a salt and pepper mix, 2 oranges. I've got some cornstarch, about a half a cup, a little bit of rice vinegar, some dark soy sauce, some honey, and then of course I've got some sesame seeds to garnish. So, folks, let's not waste any more time and let's get to cooking. All right, family. So here I have our bowl, and I'm dumping in our chicken that I cubed up. It's definitely washed really good, and so I'm just making sure it looks good. And so now I'm gonna add that half cup of cornstarch, and I'm just dumping it in here. And what we want to do is also add our salt and pepper mix. So I mixed up some salt and pepper. Here it is there. And what I'm going to do is just sprinkle some of this all over our chicken. I need some for a little bit later. So there I have it. And then I'm just going to take my hand and I'm going to mix all of this together. You want to make sure that all of your chicken is coated really, really well with the flour. And so I'm just making sure I'm doing that there, mixing it really, really well. This is great flavor. That's what you want right there, folks. And so this looks coated really, really well. Just a few more shakes here and on to our next step. See you in a moment. All right, so here we are with 2 oranges, and I will get these oranges sliced up into halves. There's 2 there, and then I'm just simply slicing here. And here's our oranges. You want your slices kind of like this. It looks really, really good. So now I'm putting it in my juicer, and I'm pressing down here, and we're gonna get that fresh squeezed orange juice all over this thing, folks. That's right, and let me grab another orange, and I'm placing my orange in my juicer. And this is what makes that orange chicken, folks. It gives it that amazing flavor. All the ingredients are fresh. This is pretty simple, pretty easy. All of you can do it. So stay tuned once I get this last one squeezed up, and we'll be back with the next step. All right, so I've poured our orange juice into our bowl, so that fresh orange juice is definitely in the bowl. Now I'm gonna add our minced up garlic. That's what we chopped up earlier. Here is the minced up ginger. I'm adding that ginger also to our bowl. This is our salt and pepper that we mixed and made earlier. And now I'm gonna add some dark soy sauce. About a teaspoon of all this stuff, folks. There it is. Dark soy sauce is really good. It's actually kind of sweet, more so than salty. And then here's our honey. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of honey. I kind of just drizzle it as I go. Definitely add that honey. And also, I'm going to now add our rice wine vinegar. Again, all you need is about a teaspoon, maybe 2, just kind of eyeball it. Nothing has to be perfect because, again, folks, this is your food. And then last one, I'll take my spoon and I'm going to mix all of this up because, again, folks, this is our sauce that makes our orange chicken amazing. So this is mixed and incorporated really well. Everything's all natural, and that's what it should look like. Let's keep on cooking. So next is our slurry. I'm just mixing it up. Whenever you do your slurry, you want to mix it up really well. And so you want to take this cornstarch and water slurry is what I have here. About 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Looks really well, making sure it's not sticking together. And what I will do is then pour that into our um, orange seasoning as soon as I return. Let's keep on cooking. All right, so here we are at the hot stove, and I'm gonna add some canola oil. I'm gonna do probably about an inch, maybe half an inch of canola oil, maybe two, three, 4 tablespoons of canola oil, because we definitely want to flash fry our chicken, folks. And I'm checking the temperature because you want to make sure your temp is between 350 degrees to 375 degrees. And so let's go ahead and add our chicken. The key here is as you are adding your chicken to the hot pan, you want to make sure that you do not crowd the pan. Sometimes if you crowd the pan, your chicken can kind of get stuck together. But we're gonna let this cook for about 3 minutes. I'll flip it over and show you guys as we cook each side, but about 3 minutes. We are also going to make sure that you want to make sure that your internal temperature is at 165 degrees. Always remember 165, folks, so that way no one can get sick. So again, we're going to let this finish cooking, and then I will flip this over and we will continue with our process. All right, family, we have flipped over our chicken and look at that caramelization. It just looked totally amazing. Each piece of chicken is fried just so crispy and fresh, and I'm just testing out the moisture. And so I've grabbed my rack and I'm going to start laying my chicken on the rack. Make sure you take your chicken out and always lay them on a rack. It helps it stay extra fresh and extra crispy. So just a few more pieces to go here, and this will be on our air rack. And then next, what we will do is we will grab that saucepan. So here we are, folks. We've got our saucepan heated up, and this is our orange goodness, our glaze. We just pour it on into the pot. This is our orange juice, garlic, ginger, honey mixture that we made. And so what I want to do is I want to add now my cornstarch slurry. So you want to mix that slurry up, make sure it's not clumpy or anything. And I'm just simply pouring all of this cornstarch slurry into my pan. And then I will begin mixing this up. Definitely want to check my heat, making sure it's not too hot, but I've got my spoon and I am actually mixing this up, and it is going to thicken up, folks, really, really quickly. Always remember, if your slurry thickens up on you too fast, you can take it off the heat, like I did, and look how thick that is. That is just goodness. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, because you can definitely loosen it up. And so there it is. I've added a little bit of water and I'm just kind of mixing it back around and making sure it is at the consistency that I want. I mean, if you guys could smell the oranges and all of the ginger and the garlic and then that honey glaze, this is definitely the secret here, folks. This is what makes orange chicken. So I'm just giving it a few more whips and a few more tosses. This is definitely, folks, at the consistency that I like. All right, so I got you at my bowl, and I'm gonna take that chicken that was fried, and I'm placing all of our chicken into a bowl. Definitely placing this in a bowl here. And now, after I've gotten all this chicken in the bowl, what I want to do is I'm going to take our slurry that we made, our sauce, folks, and I'm just grabbing that, and look at that. Look at that goodness. And I'm just going to pour this all over that chicken. There it is, folks. Look at that. I mean, this is orange chicken. I'm gonna grab my utensil and I'm just gonna toss it. Just give it a great toss. Tossing all of this together looks really, really well, folks. I think it's about time for us to get this plated up. So I'll give it a final toss here and I'll get this plated up And let's see what it does. All right, YouTube family, I'm just adding those sesame seeds to our final meal. And this is orange chicken. Again, YouTube family, if you have not hit that like and subscribe button, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you share this content. This is Chef Timmy Jay. And folks, let me grab a fork because we have to do our famous taste test. I have put this over some rice. I use white long grain rice, and so I'm just kind of mixing and incorporating everything in here, YouTube. I'm trying to get a piece for you guys. I guess that's you guys. Go ahead and take a bite, take a bite, take a bite. And now it's my turn to definitely take the final bite. So I'm going in, going in. Mm. Oh my goodness, YouTube, this is totally amazing. The orange flavor and the honey and the garlic and ginger. Just got to take one more bite. Oh my goodness, YouTube, this is great. Again, this is Chef Timmy J. Hope to see you guys again. Peace.